This is a semi-automatic capsule filling machine DTJ-V. Let me introduce this product. Empty capsules enter the capsule tray from the hopper, and the capsule cap and capsule body are separated by vacuum suction. The powder enters the metering device from the hopper. The measured powder is filled into the capsule. The filled capsule is pressed tightly against the capsule cap by a pressure device to ensure that the capsule is sealed. The finished capsules are discharged into a collecting container.